in the history of Pakistan, Church of Pakistan, particularly Karachi Diocese, from last 40 years, this is the first time that Chief Justice of Pakistan is among with us. And this gesture shows the concern of the Chief Justice toward the minorities living in Pakistan.
Very happy to be here among all the people, my own people, people of Pakistan, and particularly their Christian community, and on their celebration of Christmas. That's a great day. And I really know of this very great day because 2 years back I celebrated this Christmas in USA. And I was really very amazed to see how the people there celebrate this occasion of Christmas. Well, Reverend Frederick John, Bishop of Karachi and Balochistan, Mr. Samuel Pyara, Chairman, as usual. He has been very close to me.
Thank you, sir.
And we have been meeting very frequently. Mrs. Aisha Khan, Member Democratic Central State Committee, Baltimore County MD, and Congregation of Holy Trinity Cathedral, and Executive Committee. Well, I will immediately like to give a response to what Mr. Samuel Pyara has just said about this missionary schools. I have already talked to the Chief Secretary, Government of Sindh, and he has been very kind to say that he will come and discuss it with me and have this issue settled. And whatever schools they have to be returned to the Christian community, we will do all which is possible with us to have them returned to the community back. And the school is run with the same zeal, missionary zeal, as it has been run before, and it's continued to run again with the same zeal. And the whole community, all people of Pakistan are benefited by that, most particularly the children. To me, there is no difference between your religion or my religion at all. We are first all Pakistanis. We are all Pakistanis. You are my brothers, you are my sisters, you are my children. You are everybody to me. You are my nation, nation of Pakistan. There has been a great, tremendous contribution of Christian community to the making of Pakistan. There have been great people who have remained involved in the independence of the country of Pakistan, and there have been great Christian people who have served Pakistan after its creation, and judiciary also indebted by them. Justice Cornelius was one of the best judges which Christian community has contributed to Pakistan. Besides, there have been huge personalities from the Christian community in the bureaucracy, in the army, and they have been involved in every field of working in Pakistan, and they have done a tremendous service to Pakistan. I am really grateful to them, and I salute them, I honor them. They are great people of Pakistan. And still, the community is fully motivated and working towards the greatness of Pakistan, making the country great, further great. And there is full contribution of the community. I feel sometimes that in some matters, the community is not dealt with in similar way as it should be dealt with, but Constitution gives you similar protection as other citizens of Pakistan. You are as citizen of Pakistan as any other citizen of Pakistan. And I as a Chief Justice of the Supreme Court of Pakistan and my Supreme Court of Pakistan, it has always taken it as a big step to see that none of the religious minorities is deprived of their rights. Whatever they are entitled to, they get it. And if they don't get it, we provide them by giving our judgments. And we'll continue to do that always, and there will be no stoppage of it. From my side, I wish you a very happy Christmas and a Merry Christmas to you. And you be very happy. I'm really grateful to you. Thank you.
Thank you.